Jesus Christ. I say I hate you. I hate you. I knew you saw it from my cat.
I've been wanting to get it. Sorry. Did you put it on your cat? I didn't even go there. What's your word?
I don't know what to say. Christmas came so early for me. I got my first hand mixer, courtesy G. I said, like, sincerely, I'm so happy because God knows that I've always wanted to get something like this. You know, I've stopped baking because it's stressful. I can't be kneading. I can't be using omorogu to be stirring, to be stirring sugar and magic. But with this, trust me, it's going to be so much easier. I can't wait. Mary's cake and pastries. Here we go. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Yeah, and
More
this is
money to
courtesy
your house.
Jumia
Really appreciate.
from Jumia. Yeah, so one of the things I ordered from Jumia, and is as you guys can see, the unboxing is nice. To the to the order, she cried in some places, but I don't know if I captured those tears. Yeah. Oh, still crying. Yeah, guys, I have other things I want to unbox. This right here is my lovely blender. I ordered it from Jumia and it came so handy. Yeah, so I'm going to clear that and I'm going to open it to see how it is. It's a Sasho blender. It's a 3-in-1 blender. And this also is my this is my tripod stand and ring lights. Yeah, I don't know how it is, but I'm going to unbox it. Yeah, I have some other things to unbox and I will get right to it right now. I'm not wearing my mic. That's part of the things I want to unbox. I know you guys have already seen that in my previous. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while. I miss you all. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for staying with me. If you're new here, you're welcome. I'm Gracie G by name, obviously. Yes, thank you for tuning in. Yes, this is my channel, as you can see. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. You know I love you always. Obviously we are in the mood of Christmas, and this video is all about how I'll be sharing with you guys unboxing my Jumia deals, all that I ordered from Jumia. Yes, unboxing my Jumia Black Friday deals. Yes, you know, so many people are skeptical and they are they don't like the fact that they order things online and they get different, you know, different things. Guys, I'm not using my mic. This is part of the things I got from Jumia. Yeah, so I've started the video already. Yes, I got this mic. It's a Lavella. Yeah, this is the packaging. Yeah, from Jumia. Yes, This is the packaging. And one thing I like about Jumia is, let me fix my mic so that you guys can hear me very well. One thing I like about Jumia is their packaging. No, they can package things, even if it's very, very small products you are ordering. The way they will package it for you. See this mic, it came with this packaging. Like, see how big this carton is. And this is the mic. Yes, and since I got the mic, I've been enjoying it. Here is my invoice. I didn't remove my invoice from it. I think there's another one inside. Some of the products usually comes with two sales invoice. At the point of delivery, the delivery agent will take one and you will have one with you. And this is my sales invoice. Before I order any products from Jumia, I actually used to go through the reviews. For me, I don't know for other people, the reviews are very, very important. Yes, I go through the reviews to see how many people have purchased the products, what they are saying about it, whether the product is good, the product is okay, the product is recommendable, the product is great, and I look at how the seller score of the vendor, sorry, how the seller score of the vendor is, whether it is excellent, whether it is average, whether it is good, or whether it is poor. Obviously, if it is poor, I don't get to order that product. I also look at the description of what I want to order. It's an online stuff, so I have to thoroughly check what I want to order. So I'll be reading this for you. This is my sales invoice for the lapel lavella mic. Says, thank you, dear Grace Akisoya. Thank you for shopping with us, Nigerians. Hashtag #1 shopping destination. We are delighted to have you as a customer. Jumia is the marketplace and item in your order of $50, blah 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 blah. To purchase the best quality products, kindly go through the product reviews before purchasing and also leaving a review after buying. Yes, so even Jumia used to advise that we to purchase the best quality products. Jumia itself used to advise that we go through the product review before purchasing, and also after buying, and you see how your product is, you are satisfied with it, you also leave a review of how the product is. Yes, so this came really, really handy. It was during the Black Friday, Jumia Black Friday, which happened November 5th to 30th of this year, 2021. Yes, that was when I got it. Yes, so this is the packaging of this mini mic. Yes, so this is how it came. Yes, this is how it came. And since when I bought it, I've really, really been enjoying it. Yes, that is my #1 product I'm unboxing. Yes, and to this beautiful scarlet and mixer. Yes, so the surprise package for my baby sister. I bought it for her birthday. Yes, and there's actually a video I made, and she was crying in the video because she was not expecting it. Yes, she's a baker, so I had to get this for her to aid her work, her work done. Yeah, so this also came in handy. It also has the sales invoice. And the next thing I'll be doing right now is this. I got this Oraimo charger. This Oraimo 2-port charger. I actually needed a charger badly. Yeah, so I didn't want to buy it from shops on the street, so actually had to look online to get a nice charger, and it came in very well. It came in very well. I've been actually enjoying it. Yes, it's 2 ports. Yes, and it also has the LED status. When I plug it, there is this blue light that is shown on it. Yes, like I said earlier, before ordering any product, you have to check for how the review of that product is. Don't just go online and you see what you like and you order anything, so that it will not be like what I ordered versus what I got. Yes, and then moving on. Yes, I ordered this anti-ray um anti-ray computer eyeglasses. I actually needed it. I ordered two actually. Yes, I actually needed it because the ray of light used to affect my eye, so I needed to get an anti-ray eye computer glasses. And then the other one, which is recommended, yeah, this is it. Like I said, one thing I like about Jumia is that men, they can package things there, even if it's very small. When I saw this yesterday, I was so happy because the packaging is mad. Yeah, and it's very nice, very fitted. Yes. As you guys can see, I'm so happy. Guys, how do I look? Yes, this is my new wear. This is how you guys are going to be seeing me now. Yes, so this is part of the things I ordered, and it actually came from abroad. It's an ordering from abroad. It's not a Nigerian sales. It's an ordering from abroad. Yes, and moving on. This right here is my 3-in-1 blender. My 3-in-1 blender I ordered during the Jumia Black Friday. I'm going to open it to see how it is. Like it is written fragile, so I have to open it with care. I have to unbox it with care. For me, buying things online is easy because I don't know, I've never done any online shopping aside Jumia, so I really can't speak for other brands. Since I've been ordering things from Jumia, it has been coming way good for me. So guys, what I ordered versus exactly what I got. Yes, I have to open it very well. So this is one part of the blade. Yes, and this is the blender cup. another part of the blade. You know, it's 3 in 1. So okay, so this is the this is the up and on button. So this is where this will sit. So sit on it like this. Yeah.